Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the racing profile and that CPM is actually exposed in settings. This matters because profiles hide controls. Once done, restart the app and clear the cache to remove stale state. That often re-enables toggles. Next, enable verbose diagnostics so you can see why CPM is disabled, sampling at 100 Hz or a 0. 5-second interval gives reliable traces. Make sure to save logs for 1 to 2 runs, because those traces let you pin down the root cause quickly. You now dive into permissions and config. First, check admin, telemetry, and safe mode flags. If admin is off, the system will block CPM, toggle it on, and reevaluate. Then, edit the configuration file. Set CPM enabled equals 1 and max CPM equals 3000, but always back up the original file before changes so you can revert. Once that is saved, apply incremental reboots. Do a soft restart to reload services, and if CPM remains disabled, perform a full reboot to ensure kernel or driver modules reinitialize. You finish by validating stability. Run 3 validation passes and watch the CPM value and any error codes. Consistency confirms success. If CPM stays disabled, inspect driver logs and firmware version. Drivers or recent updates commonly flip protections on. Once done, try rolling back the most recent firmware or driver update and retest. If that still fails, restore your backup config as the final quick rollback, and only then escalate with collected logs and the exact error codes so support can resolve the deeper issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.